What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm distracted. I'm just. Okay, before we start, you're going to subscribe, put some notification bell, and thumbs up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you have done that, we can begin. We can begin. We can begin. We can begin. Let's begin. So you might know what I'm doing by the name of this video. If you have not seen the name, you just look at the picture. Look at the name. So today I will be trying on new makeups. I will first use this one that's new gloss I bought last week, I guess. Yes, I'll be using it. We're going to look so hideous today. So I'm actually going to be copying 1, 2, 3 go, I guess, or 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes.
What your lips?
This idea is that then put it all over lips. Okay, go on. It's actually very cool. I try to turn out like horrible. It will be here, then nothing. Like I just thought it will spill. It will, you know, turn out horrible, but actually turn out great. So next I will be using this sport one. Actually. Let me use the real one, I guess. I guess it will be better this way. Use on my face. Use on my face. Oh, there we go.
Trying my feet.
Oh no, I'm charging mine. But don't Oh, 22.
I only just 20.
Okay. Now use it on, I guess. Okay. When I do a room tour, you actually see where I put this makeup. Oh my. Okay. Then I will use it on, because really I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Please tell me. I don't know what I'm doing. I have a feeling that this will turn out like horrible. Okay, I think it's so much. It's okay like that. Now add this one. Just use it. Need to put in this one again. Guess I'll be putting it up and again. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. And just put it in with this one. It's like a, something. Okay. I'm going to be adding more of this because I already think this is too small. I can feel it in my lips. Oh no. Ah. I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, now this is too much. Like, usually I've never done this before. Like, no, I've done this before, but not this much. I'm actually getting good at it because when I do it before it comes here, but now I'm getting good at it. No! Okay, now I see what it's talking about because I've never sneezed when doing this stuff, but now I see. I look so scary. Like when I was like, I think I look pretty enough. I don't need to add more. I look pretty enough. Because I'm not actually going out today, and it's almost time for bed, so adding a lot of makeup will be like, for what? Why? You ain't going to bed now? Okay, I don't really like this, guys. Are you kidding enough? But I don't want to use anything like that, so I will be using my liquid to clean it up. I know. And I noticed I got 12 subscribers, like really, really fast. So thank you guys out there for subscribing. Like really, thank you guys. Like usually I was so happy when I got subscribers. Hopefully one day I'm playing this game and I find, I'm playing Roblox and I find one, like just one famous person out there to talk to. But I actually don't know that because their names, I don't really know their names. Like they're playing Roblox, what's their name? Because I actually have a lot of people playing Roblox with me. Like I play Roblox and all the time someone random comes to talk to me. Like they might be famous and I'm famous because I don't know their life. Like literally do not know their life. But if it, well, one person actually came to me and was like, "I'm famous in real life." He actually did say, "I'm famous in real life." I knew it was a lie because he said, "My name is Ruby Rose Turner."
Babe, okay.
So yeah, that was really real. If it was really real, Ruby Rose, I would be like, "Oh my god, oh my god."
But Ruby Rose won't tell,
Yeah, like literally wouldn't tell.
I think.
I knew that. Okay, I'm adding more. No, no makeup. No more makeup. Sorry, guys, I need to add one more. I'm so sorry. If you really want to see my whole full makeup, all you need to do is subscribe and click on the notification bell with some thumbs up to spice it up a little bit. So, bye. See you in my next video. Shoutouts tomorrow.